Qwen team has introduced Qwen-Image. So this is a text to image model. It's an image generation model. It's 20 billion parameters. It's a multi-model diffusion image transformer based image foundational model. And what they are saying is that this model achieves significant advances in complex text rendering and precise image editing. So this is what they are saying over here. So the key features are superior text rendering, supports both alphabetic languages like English and Chinese with high fidelity. It excels at complex text rendering, including multi-line layouts, paragraph level semantics, and fine-grained details, consistent image editing, exceptional performance in preserving both semantic meaning and visual realism during editing operations, strong cross benchmark performance. This model is actually Apache 2.0 license, which means that you can use it commercially, right? So they have their official demo space, Qwen-Image on Hugging Face. So I gave this prompt an intricately detailed, vibrant acrylic painting showcasing a towering sunflower in full bloom. Its golden petals fan outwards towards the sky, laden with thick mortared seeds at its center. A lifelike scene of bees surround the sunflower, their bodies dusted with pollen. They are shown in earnest effort of collecting nectar, hovering in the air and alighting on the petals and center of the flower. The sky in the background is a brilliant soft blue, intermittently streaked with wispy clouds, providing a serene backdrop to the bustling activity around the sunflower. So this is the prompt and this is the image which has been generated. I kind of like this image. So there is this another space, right? So where I gave this particular prompt, ultra detailed image of a surreal fantasy dreamscape in the style of this. Run, ignite the fire in your heart, close to impossible, stand up and overcome. I have to rely on myself, fighting with my bare hands, existing through the earth, digging. So this is a prompt, a big prompt, and this is the image which has been generated over here. Okay. So here is the image which has been generated for the same prompt over here in Qwen-Image diffusion. So you can compare. I'm not sure which model this is used over here for generating this particular image, but for this prompt, okay, this was the image which was generated, right? You can also try generating images in Qwen Chat. It's available free over here. You have to put a prompt and then select image generation, and it can generate the image for you. So I gave another prompt from here from this cvti.com. So this is close-up caramel sauce, male grade Buddha statue, as in sitting, holding huge ice cream, thumbs up from below in Japanese temple, garden sunrise made of caramel sauce, cinematic lighting, ultra high quality rays, photorealistic, insanely detailed, SFW, right? So given the same prompt over here, this was the image which was generated. I really liked this image for this particular prompt of a caramel sauce male grade Buddha statue with an ice cream, holding huge ice cream. So this is really nice. It has generated it nicely over here. Okay. One more example is this, right? Where the prompt is a sleek crossover SUV driving through a narrow European street corner during golden hour. Soft sunlight reflects on the shop windows and casts warm shadows across the building facades. The car is mid-motion, captured from the side at wheel level with sharp focus on the vehicle and a slight motion blur on the background. So for the same prompt over here, this is the image which has been generated. Again, this image is also very nicely generated over here. Okay. Then this is another prompt which I gave. A man in a dark suit and hat stands on a muddy street holding a briefcase. Behind him is a vintage blue car parked near a dilapidated building with large columns and steps leading up to it. The scene is gritty, desolate. So it is a cinematic scene basically. And with the same prompt, this is generated over here. If you look at the image, the car is really vintage. But there are some artifacts over here, but still, no, this is a very nice image which has been generated over here. So I like the image, quality which has been generated. Here, if you see they say that it's very good at superior text rendering. But if you look at this thing where it is a fresh idea, glass texture, 3D rendering of the transparent glass texture number, Qwen with reflection. So this text Qwen, right? So not rendered properly over here. W has become U over here. Okay. Another one where I said subscribe to my channel. It is actually generated it properly over here. The same prompt, fresh ideas, glass texture, 3D rendering of the transparent glass texture. This is not actually number. Subscribe to my channel with reflection and lighting. This is the text basically with the background of festive New Year elements. So this is what has been generated over here. It looks good. Chinese New Year over here. Okay. So these were some of the prompts which I tried with this particular model, and it is quite a good model. So they have a technical report over here where they talk about details of this architecture and everything. So if you look at a high level of the architecture, what they're saying over here is that this model basically makes use of Qwen 2.5 VL and a VAE encoder. Okay. For this is for the text part and this is for the image part. And it makes use of multi-model diffusion image transformer blocks to generate your images. Further details are present in the paper. Check it out. So you can try Qwen-Image, this particular model on Qwen Chat. You can try on some Hugging Face spaces, right? If you have enough GPU, basically, you can even download this model locally and you can set it up. So this is a 20 billion parameters model. So I think the GPU requirements for this should be anywhere between 40 GB to 48 GB. So you can also try local installation of this particular model. Further examples are present over here for various kinds of image generation, right? So this is text in images. So that's what they're saying over here. You can check out the details. This is a short video on Qwen-Image. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. If you like to support the channel, you can buy me a coffee either at Buy Me a Coffee Ritesh or this particular link, coffee.com Ritesh Srinivasan. Your support is much valued. Hope the video is useful. See you in another video.